Hello. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do.
Tonight, no one's gonna find us. We'll leave the world behind us when I make love to you.
Tonight I celebrate my love for you and hope that deep inside you'll feel it too.
Tonight, our spirits will be climbing to a sky-filled wall with diamonds when I make love to you. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through. Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you, and soon this whole world will seem brand new.
Tonight, we will both discover how friends turn into lovers when I make love to you. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through. Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you.
Tonight. Thanks for joining.
Welcome.